friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Good morning, respected judges, my beloved teachers and friends. Today I want to talk about friendship and best friend today. A best friend is not just someone to spend time with. They are a person who truly understands you, supports you, and makes your life brighter. Today I want to talk about friendship and best friend today. A best friend is not just someone to spend time with. They are a person who truly understands you, supports you, and makes your life brighter. Today I want to talk about friendship and best friend today. I want to talk about my best friend. A best friend is not just someone to spend time with. They are a person who truly understands you, supports you, and makes your life brighter. Today I want to talk about someone who has been a huge part of my life. My best friend is Jalwa. She is not just my friend. She is my partner in crime, my biggest cheerleader, and honestly, my family. From the first day we met, I knew we had clicked. It was one of those moments where everything just felt right, like I had known him forever. Since then, we have made so many memories together, laughing until we can't breathe, supporting each other through rough time, and celebrating the good too ones, whether it's stand-up adventures or quiet days. They always make everything better. One of the things I admire most about Jalwa is her kindness. She has this way of making everyone feel valued and heard. And she is always there to lift others up. Even when she has her own challenges. She is incredibly loyal and understanding. And I feel lucky to have someone like him by my side. But like any great friendship, it's not all rainbows. Jalwa has her uniqueness and she definitely keeps things interesting. For one, she is notorious for she always forgot the class tests and never mind the reminders, but hardly fails in them. And trust me, patience is sometimes required when helping me with my maths homework. But honestly, those uniqueness are part of what makes him who she is. And I couldn't change it for anything. Our friendship is a built on all these little things, good and bad. It's knowing each other so well that we can finish each other's sentence and accepting each other's flaws without hesitation. Through it all, Jalwa is my rock, my partner in crime, and the one person I can count on no matter what. What makes our friendship special is the trust and honestly we shared. We can talk about anything and know that our words are safe. We may not agree on everything, but we always respect each other's opinions. To me, a best friend is a treasure. If you have someone like this in your life, make to cherish and appreciate them every day. So here to you, Jalwa. Thank you for being my best friend, my confidence, and the person who makes me want to be better. I can't wait to see what my life has in store for us. Thank you. Have a nice day.